3 quick and easy tips to keep you and your family off the side of the road this holiday season. Now you yourself, a mechanic, you're mechanically inclined next door neighbor, or your girlfriend can easily do any of these for free. So no excuses. Start the timer, boom, let's jump into it. Tip number 1, check your air pressure. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple, get it done. Not just one, all your tires, including your spare. Done. While you're down here, take the time and check your tire. And I'm not talking, and that's it. I mean, touch it, feel it, smell it, taste it. Know this tire inside and out. You can't see the inside of the tire just like this car? Start up the car, turn the wheel all the way to the left, and check the tread face all the way across. Any part of that tire is smooth, even a little bit, go get a new one before you hit the road. Otherwise, you're gonna be stuck on the side of the road for hours. Tip number 2, get under the hood, check the fluids. You don't know how? Find a YouTube video that'll show you how, because I guarantee it's out there. Simple, boom, check it, I'm low. I would have been overheating, stuck on the side of the road. Be better than me. And tip number 3, get your battery tested. This is a must. Cars have tons of electronics nowadays. Even a little bit of a hiccup on the battery, you're gonna be stuck on the side of the road. Now, this is not gonna happen when you're conveniently at me and Ma's house, a nice, warm place, drinking some hot cocoa. No. It's gonna be on Christmas Eve, on your drive up to get to her place. You're gonna be in that gas station in the middle of nowhere because you waited too long to get gas, paying 25 cents more a gallon. You're gonna hop in your car, go click, click, and it's dead. And now you're gonna be stuck there for hours for a tow truck to come get you. Just like that, 3 quick tips, knocked out, boom. Took what, 5 minutes to get all this done? So easy, did it in my sandals. Safe driving this holiday season, don't get stranded, be safe. Thanks for watching, peace.